Today in this video we will see two ways by which you can transfer contacts that are present in your iPhone to the Gmail application. The first and the easiest way is to add the Gmail account to your iPhone and then sync the contacts to the Gmail account. For that one, we will go to settings. We will scroll down. Now if you are using iOS 14 version and the later versions, then what you have to do is you have to tap on this mail option, then go to accounts, select add account. Now you have to select Google, select continue, and then here you have to enter the Gmail account, and after that you have to enter the password for your Gmail account. Now once you have added the Gmail contact to your iPhone, then you will come to this screen, and what you have to do is you have to select this option contacts. Now once you do it, what happens is all the contacts that are present in your iPhone will be synced and saved to this Gmail account, and also all of the contacts that are present in this Gmail account will be synced and it will be seen in your iPhone. So this is the first way by which you can transfer the contacts that are present in your iPhone to the iCloud. Now the next way is by using the iCloud. So for that one, what we will do is we will go to settings. We will tap on the name at the top here. We will go to iCloud, and here you have an option here, contact. So make sure that you enable this option contacts under iCloud, and once you do it, you get this message, what would you like to do with the existing contact that are present in your iPhone, and then what you will select is merge. So what you want is you want the contacts that are present in your iPhone to be saved to the iCloud. So once you enable this option contact, all the contacts that are present in your iPhone will be synced and it will be saved to the iCloud. Once I have saved all the contacts that are present in my iPhone to the iCloud, then what I will do, I will open a web browser, then I will open a website called iCloud.com. Now I will log into this iCloud by using my Apple ID. I will enter the password for my Apple ID. Next. So once I have logged into the iCloud, what I will do is I will click on this contacts here, and these are all of the contacts that are present in my iCloud. So if I have to download all of the contact, what I will do is I will click on this gear icon, select this option, select all, and then again click on this gear icon and then select export vcard. So what happens is all of the contacts are downloaded in this file. After that, what I will do, I will log out of this website, and then I have to open a website, contacts.google.com. Open this website. Now here you have to select that Gmail account where you want to download the contact, or you have to enter that Gmail account where you have to download the contact. So since I have already saved my Gmail account, what I will do is I will select that Gmail account where I want to download. If you want to enter the Gmail account, you have to use this option, use another account. So let me select this Gmail account and let me enter the password. Next. Now here what I will do is I will click on this option import, go to this option select file, and then I will look for the file where I have downloaded the contact and then select open, select import. Now what happens is all the contacts that are present in that file will be imported to this Gmail account, and you can see all the contacts are imported. So this is how you can save the contact that are present in your iPhone to the Gmail account. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.